In this video, we will show you the T5 package, the main unit, and the accessories included. First, let's take a look at the package. When we open the package, the first thing we see is the T5 main unit. Let's take it out and have a look. Next, let's take a look at the accessories included in the T5 package. Speakers and Velcro, hard tube microphone and microphone Velcro, button microphone and microphone Velcro, clamp and 3M glue Velcro, clamp with screw and screwdriver, speaker booster pads and decorative shell, USB cable and user manual. These are all the accessories included in the T5 package. Thank you for watching.